Good morning, assalamu alaikum brothers and sisters, and welcome to my channel. I'm Roman Gree. Just doing a walk from my hotel, which is directly behind me. That's my hotel there, the Zaha Tabia Hotel, and look, all the people going towards the mosque. It's Friday, 12:30. It's Friday, 12:30, and it's time for Jummah prayers. So we're headed off towards the mosque. This is a complete video, I hope, of the walk from the hotel to the actual mosque itself, just to show you the location. This road, loads of little shops. Everything you need is down here. Little grocery stores, little souvenir shops, but very, very busy. And if you notice on this side, a lot of work going on. Initially, a lot of cabbies were asking, "Oh, we'll drop you off to the Haram, we'll drop you off." Didn't realise how close it actually is. So I'll show you. There's a couple of funny hotels. I've got them on the other video. I'll only show the outside. But the nighttime walk along here was really busy, and the hotels are really no more than a star or 2-star. Here's one, for instance, a bit run down, and that's the front foyer. There's all the other hotels here as well. Still a little bit of an old part of town, but you know what, location was perfect. Just nice gentle stroll there, not too far, and everything on your doorstep. See, that's another hotel there, and I think that's going to be some sort of business, and the hotel is just on the corner as well. A lot of street trading around here. The police tell them just to move on. They literally wait for the police to move, and then they're back again. But as it's a Friday, very busy, loads of tables. Loads and loads of tables here. A lot of trade. But at the moment, everybody's busy going off to the masjid. Nice mats, nice prayer mats, nice hats. We'll have a look at these on the way back. Let's get past these people. As I said earlier, any bit of open land becomes a car park until something is built. And here, cars, petrol rules. I don't think I've seen any electric cars except the ones down into the hotel. More people studying bird seat. Loads of pigeons here, loads and loads of pigeons. And that in the distance over there is the masjid. People feeding. Look amount of rubbish. This is what they haven't realised yet, the amount of rubbish the pigeons bring. It will take a bit of time for them to get used to. And look at the structure they're making just there. That's all the new part, sparkly part of town. Once I get across the motorway or the main road just there, you get a better idea. But the road system's really funny. It's like, that's like the end of town. Behind me, where the mount is, Mount Hood, is a giant ring road right way around, and you're forever just going up and down this road, turning around and come back again. I think there's an underpass What they do really well is an underpass to keep it away from the mosque and stuff and everything like that. That's the traffic coming in, and then they have to U-turn and come back round. The road does not actually lead off anywhere there, it just has a U-turn and comes back round. And that ahead of me is the underpass. And if you have a look at this side, all new builds are going to be coming. They've been moving, lots of amount of dirt that they've been moving around. Old derelict building there. And cranes in the distance. And there, over there is my hotel. That's where I've just walked from. The blue building over there. Right, back to where I'm walking, straight ahead. You can just see that these are going to be like more 5-star hotels. So, like I said, it's a really good system. The only thing that really lets it down is the amount of traffic. A lot of traffic here. You do not realise how much traffic is just on this part of the road. But the problem is, there is only 2 real major roads. There, right in front of us, you can make out the mosque. Real hustle and bustle, being a Friday. It's what, 11:30. Prayers in about 45 odd minutes. So everybody's headed in so they can get their spot. Loads and loads of people headed in the same direction. Just there, you can make out the minaret for the mosque. Cranes galore. Cranes everywhere. Building everywhere. Even in the distance you can see the mountains. Really mountainous terrain. Wanted to see a desert, didn't see any desert yet. In Mecca they had a Jeep safari, so they've got a desert there. But Medina, everything I've seen so far, solid land. Even coming on the train along the railway, I should say. It was really rocky terrain. Didn't see a single bit of desert. Here you can see the new part of town, what it's going to become. This is the bit I was saying to you, so it's like a roundabout here. Well, like a U-turn, I should say, rather than roundabout. All the taxis come up, buses, they drop people off there, and then they turn back round again and go back up the road you came. And that on the right side of me, just here, you can see is the underpass that goes down. Considering the structure for the mosque is huge, and when I mean it's huge, it really is massive. And where the road comes out on the other side, oh, I couldn't tell you. I could not tell you. But as we saw yesterday, the bit that does there is going to Quba Mosque, where Quba Mosque is on the other side of the compound. There's a major flyover there, but I didn't see an underpass come out. But it's got to be somewhere around there. But Quba Mosque itself was another huge structure as well. Again, another square with loads of pigeons, people dropping off. Causes nothing but congestion. The policemen trying to get everybody keep them moving, but it doesn't happen. There we go. This is a sparkling part of town, as I always say. New shops, new businesses, new hotels. And here is the mosque. The compound starts about 100 meters ahead of me, and this over here is where all the food places are. Italian, Medina crispy, Medina dates. Intercontinental Hotel, Maiden Hotel, but look at this. Peninsula Worth Hotel. This is the little road that has independent food places from all around the world. You know, Indian, Chinese, Pakistani, all sorts. Did eat from here, just a quick bite a couple of days ago. The food was nice, I've got to say. Reasonably priced, not the cheapest, but reasonably priced. Help centre, which is nice. And you know it's brand spanking new because look at the road signs. We'll have a look at this maybe later on tonight in more detail. Turkish food there as well. Always busy, this place, to take your photo with the minarets behind you. Always busy. Amount of people that are coming in for Friday prayers. Hilton, the last big building before the mosque, and a road that cuts across it, and the police hold people walking across. And then what they do, there's no light system, there's no traffic lights here yet because it's all a brand new system. Last night walking around I couldn't get across the major road, and here we go. So now the traffic is held, and that in front is our mosque. So not a bad walk. That's a complete video of it.